Hi everyone, hope you all are doing well. Today in this video we have 12 off-campus hiring update for college student, freshers, pass out and experienced candidate are also eligible. Any degree graduate candidate are eligible and companies are looking for full-time job plus internship update. So it's a great update for everyone. They have good number of opening. So please share this video with your friends, senior, juniors and in your college group. Need your support guys, so please subscribe the channel, like the video and also do check channel recent videos. Most of the companies apply link are still active, so don't miss any update. Wherever you are eligible, just do apply for the companies and also do join our Telegram, WhatsApp channel. First hiring is coming from Tech Mahindra company. It's the biggest update. They are looking for semi technical production support role and all freshers are eligible here, and this is a work from home job. So currently they are doing work from home, and after that may shift to work from office in the future Chandigarh location, but for now it's a work from home job. So this is a very good update, very big update coming from Tech Mahindra company. The required skill set is Linux, Unix and SQL. So I hope you guys can learn this in a week also if you don't know. So this is a very big update. All the details they had mentioned in the here, so just go through with that and please share your updated CV to this mail ID. All freshers are eligible and this is a work from home job, so this is a good update for all freshers. Next update is coming from Infosys company and this is a very big update. Infosys is hiring for internship. Okay, so in a step hiring is there, so this is for best internship program. Okay, so this is a very good update, and Infosys in a step ranked as the best internship program 5 years in a row. So the thing is the stipend is very good. You will get here 50,000 in hand stipend monthly, and the good part is here all the candidates are eligible. If you are in college, like final year and third year student are eligible. If you are in only in college, if you are pursuing your undergraduate or postgraduate, anything you are eligible here. So any BTech student, ME MTech student, MCA student are eligible here. So this is a very good update. This is the apply now button your where you have to click and do apply. Just fill the basic details in a CV, because they will first screen your profile. Okay, so in screening process you have to uh, they will check all the required skill set for this internship in your CV. So make sure do mention all your project work, DSA related keyword, because DSA is the mandatory. They will ask question on DSA. Okay, because the stipend is very good. So and so all put all these skill set. Okay, academics, project, okay, and the DSA programming language and all, then definitely you will get select. Okay, please do mention your GitHub profile, or if you solve any coding challenges, like coding questions on any profile like CodeSafe, HackerEarth, HackerRank, like lead code. So please do mention all these things and do apply here. So final year, third year student are eligible for this hiring. The stipend is very good, 50,000 in hand, and this internship is also very good. So please do apply now. If you have any doubt, then please let me know in the comment section. Next update is coming from EY company. They are looking for associate software engineer role, Bangalore location. So here freshers are eligible. So 2025 batch, 2024 batch candidate are eligible for associate software engineer role. They have other role also for internship. Okay, and here 2025 batch student are eligible. 2026 batch student you can try. At 2024 batch student also you are eligible. So this is a very good update. Please do apply now. Next update is coming from TravClan company. They are looking for two role, operation intern and the business analyst intern. So both role is for 6 month internship and then they will give you pre-placement opportunity. So both location is Delhi only, and this is a very good update. The big update is those who already applied for this hiring, they are getting mail for assessment. Okay, the selection process is they will take first aptitude test round. So for that candidate are getting mail, and then you have 20 to 30 minutes of GD, then personal interview and then offer letter. So it's a very good update. So check all the details carefully, and this is a good company and the stipend is also very good. So first month you will get, first 3 months you will get 25,000, and 4 months onward you will get 30,000, and then you will get 5.4 to 7.5 LPA, depends on your performance and all, and free as snacks and beverage also. So this is a very good update, and the dress code is informal, not like TCS. In TCS you have to go like formal dress, right? So this is a very good things, and please do prepare well. So please do add all these skill set in your CV, okay, so that you will get the assessment call, whatever they looking for, okay. Mention all these skill set related to business analyst role. So this is a very good update. These all required skill set I'm telling. Yeah, so and also do sure make add the project, okay. So this is a good update. Please do apply now only, and there is all pass out student are eligible, like all freshers are eligible for here for this role. So this is a very good update. Please do apply now only. If you have any doubt, then please let me know in the comment section. Next update is coming for Pit Solution Company, and they are looking for fresher recruitment. The associate software engineer is the job role, and these all are the current position they have: business analyst, software testing, PHP, Udo, Flutter. Okay, so what you need to do, just share your updated CV to this mail ID, right? So fresher at the rate pitsolution.com, and whatever the yeah, whatever the position you are looking for, just do mention in the subject, or if not required, you can't, you can skip also. Just do mention associate software engineer role. So according to your profile, according to your required skill set, you will get the position. So check all the details. They have assessment and the interview. So yeah, prepare well. Next update is coming from Cognizant company. They have working interview. Okay, so for analyst trainee role. So this is for 3-year graduate, I guess. Okay, I guess. Yeah. So please do apply. This is a good update. Any graduate can apply. Okay, this is a walking interview and they have 200 openings. So the opening is very good. 12 to 14 Jan is the walking date. So you can attend for 13 and 14 Jan if you are in Hyderabad. So this is the Hyderabad location base. So this is the timing. This is the point of contact. Okay, what the things you have to bring, they mentioned. So please take these things, and the address you will get on Google. Okay, this is the address actually, not Google. This is the address where you have to go. Maybe there is one, more than one office in Hyderabad. Okay, contact person name. This is, yeah. So if you have any doubt, please let me know. Please go there. You can ping her also. Okay. But this is a walking interview. You can go direct there and attend the interview. If you have any doubt, then please let me know. Next update is coming from L&T company, and they are looking for 2025 batch MTech student. The stipend is very good. Okay, the deadline is 20th of January, so make sure to apply now. Only freshers are eligible. 2025 batch student are eligible for this hiring. Next update is for two role: product analyst and associate product manager role. So again, this is a very good update. Bangalore is the job location, so please do apply. This is a good company. Next update is coming from Deal company, and this is a very good update. They have multiple role: React JS, backend, full stack, team lead, database administrators role. So they have couple of role for freshers and experienced both candidate. So please do apply. Okay, open all here and you can DM. So yeah, so it's a very good update. You can do apply directly. This is a good update. Next update is coming for SD1 role, full stack hiring. Okay, Capital Compute company. So what you need to do, just share your updated CV to this mail ID. Check all the details carefully. Okay, they had mentioned everything, and you need to share your updated CV to this mail ID. And also you have to mention this subject line. Yeah, so this is a good update. Please do apply. Next update is for 2025 batch student. Okay, location is Bangalore, so you can apply now. Last hiring is for 6 month internship role, and then they will give you the full time job. Okay, just fill this application form as soon as possible. They have multiple role. So again, it's a good update. I hope guys all these hiring definitely help you, and soon you will get placed. If you have any doubt, then please let me know in the comment section. Stay tuned on our channel for such hiring update and other update related to your job career. Thank you guys. All the best.